Om Swastiastu. Yang terhormat dosen penguji uji kinerja praktik mengajar PPG Daljab tahun 2021 angkatan kedua. Nama saya Nikadek Suwartini, peserta PPG Daljab angkatan 2 tahun 2021 dari Prodi Pendidikan Bahasa Inggris. Hari ini, Rabu 18 Agustus tahun 2021, pukul 11.03, saya akan melaksanakan praktik mengajar untuk uji kinerja PPG Daljab tahun 2021. Terima kasih dan selamat menyaksikan. Good morning, students.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, Miss.
How are you?
I'm good.
I'm fine.
Kind of fine.
Great to hear that all of you feeling well today. Thank you for coming to today's meeting. Welcome back to my English class. Jadi kita masih menunggu teman-teman yang belum gabung. Semoga nanti akan segera bergabung. Masih 10 orang lagi ya. I will choose one student to help me lead the prayer before we start the lesson. Maybe Gaura can help lead the prayer today. Hello, Gaura.
Hello, Miss.
Yes, Gaura, can you please lead the prayer before we start the lesson?
Doa mulai. Doa selesai.
Thank you, Gaura. Okay, students, for today's meeting, I'm going to show you the presentation. Can you see the slide?
Sudah, Miss.
Sudah, Miss.
Miss.
All right, students, so today we're going to learn the new topic about procedure text. Actually, there are two types of procedure that we are going to learn during this semester. But for today, we're going to focus on recipe. In today's lesson, you will learn about the definition of procedure text, the purpose of recipe, the structure of recipe, and the language characteristic of recipe. Yeah, so that at the end of the lesson, we can reach the learning goals for you to know the definition of procedure text, for you to understand the purpose of a recipe, to know the structure of the recipe, and to know the language characteristic of the recipe. Are you ready to learn?
I'm ready, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Very good.
Yes, Miss.
Let's start. Okay, can you see the pictures? What drink it is?
Orange juice.
Orange juice, very good. Orange juice. Lebih tepatnya lagi, ini adalah squeeze orange juice ya. Have you ever tasted? Ada yang sudah pernah minum squeeze orange juice?
Yes, Miss.
Yes.
Yes.
Everybody? Semuanya
Yes.
pernah?
Yes.
Yes.
How does it taste? Bagaimana rasanya?
Asam.
Sedikit manis dan asam, Miss.
Sweet. And asam?
Sour.
Sour, yeah. It tastes sweet. It tastes a bit sour as well, ya. Kemudian, have you ever made one? Udah pernah buat? Teresia belum pernah.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Oke, Tiara sudah pernah ya. Oke, do you think it's easy to be made?
Ya, lumayan gampang buatnya.
Oke, lumayan gampang ya. Yang lain, ada yang belum pernah buat juga seperti Teresia? Kalau saya sudah pernah buat. Kalau untuk yang belum pernah, coba kita diskusikan ya. So, let's discuss how to make orange juice or squeeze orange juice. Nah, ini. Coba kita jawab satu-satu mulai dari bagian ini. So, we start from what do we need to make squeeze orange juice? Apa yang kita perlukan bahan utamanya?
Orange, Miss.
Orange. Yes, exactly. Orange dulu. Kira-kira yang nomor 2 di sini? Kotak nomor 2?
Water.
Water.
Water,
Water.
yeah. Water. Number 3,
Sugar.
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 ice cubes, ya.
Yeah.
Ada ice cube di sana, kelihatan tidak ice cubes-nya? Can you
Yes.
see the ice cube?
No, no.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, and the last one, of course, sugar, ya.
Nice.
Sugar.
This is what we need to make a squeeze orange juice. All right, so how do we make it? What do you think the first thing we have to do? Yes, Dea?
diperas.
Harus diperas, tapi sebelum diperas kita apakan dulu?
You
cut it
jeruknya.
You cut it into two.
Yes, we cut it first. Cut the oranges, yeah. I have another question. What is the difference between cut and slice? Can anyone maybe tell me?
Cut itu potong,
Potong.
slice itu diiris.
Kayak
Exactly.
dikupas gitu ya?
Kalau dikupas apa namanya?
Kok dikupas?
Peel.
Peel. Good, very good. Next, after cut the orange, what should we do?
We squeeze the juice.
Squeeze the orange.
We squeeze with the orange.
Very good. We will
Squeeze.
squeeze the orange juice into a glass. Yeah. The last one, after add some water and ice cubes, we should stir it well, ya.
It's
Diaduk
good.
dulu, ya. And then the last one,
Diminum.
enjoy the drink. Ya, diminum kalau sudah jadi ya. Pertama ada title dulu. Apa titlenya? Orange juice or squeeze orange juice. Itu namanya title. Kemudian ada ingredient atau bahan-bahan yang diperlukan. We call it ingredients. We have orange, water, ice cubes, sugar. And the last one is steps. Ya, yang terakhir adalah steps, yaitu langkah-langkah pembuatannya. Ini adalah satu kesatuan resep, ya. We call it generic structure dari teks recipe. Sekarang kita belajar characteristic of the language used in recipe or procedure text, ya, karakteristik bahasa yang digunakan dalam resep atau procedures. There are 3 characteristic. The first is simple present tense, the second is imperative sentence, and the last one is temporal conjunction. What are they? Now I'm going to explain it to you. Apa ciri utama dari simple present tense? Gaura?
There is an
Menggunakan
object.
verb satu. Verb one.
Menggunakan verb
Verb
1.
Verb
Exactly. Verb 1, ya. Saya akan lingkari di sini verb 1-nya. Yang paling pertama kita bisa ketemu cut. Can anyone find another basic verb? Audrey?
Add and stir.
It's stir and drink.
Very good. Tapi di sini drink bukan bentuk verb. Drink di sini fungsinya sebagai kata benda. Kenapa kita bisa tahu ini kata benda? Why? Because there is an article over here. Ada kata the. Ya. Kalau ada the kemudian diikuti oleh sebuah kata lainnya, the followed by another word, usually the word after the is noun. Sekarang kita lanjutkan dulu ke imperative sentence. Ini merupakan satu kalimat imperatif atau memberikan perintah. Give command, cut the orange, and then also squeeze the orange juice into a glass. Itu imperative sentence.
Add some sugar and stir well.
Oke, add some sugar and stir well. Itu termasuk imperative sentence. Next we have temporal conjunction. Nah, ini conjunction adalah kata penghubung. Di manakah kita bisa menemukan temporal conjunction? Saya kasih contoh satu dulu. Nah, ini temporal conjunction. Sisanya, Taris?
Next.
Next. Padma? Then, ya, good. Fungsinya adalah untuk menghubungkan antara satu kalimat dengan kalimat lain di dalam steps, ya. To connect from the first sentence to the next sentence, from the first imperative sentence to the next imperative sentence. Kita akan ingat kembali, tadi kita sudah coba cari-cari. We have learned, we have found out, ya. Kita sudah temukan yang namanya procedure text itu seperti apa. So you can read it over here. That procedure text is a text that is designed to describe how something is achieved through a sequence of action or steps. Ya, menunjukkan bagaimana sesuatu dicapai melalui langkah-langkah tertentu. Makanya procedure text is not only recipe, ya, tidak hanya resep saja yang termasuk procedure text, manuals juga termasuk procedure text. The purpose of recipe, as you can see here, is to tell the reader how to make certain food or drink. If the title is how to make a squeezed orange juice, so what is the purpose of the recipe? Yeah. Yes, Bagus Putra?
To tell the reader how to make some squeezed orange juice.
Ya, sekarang the structure of recipe, ya. Jadi dalam resep ada strukturnya juga. Ada goal atau title usually, ya. Goal itu tujuan, biasanya bisa dilihat dari title-nya. So we can usually see it from the title. And then the second one, ingredients atau bahan-bahan, kemudian baru steps yang terakhir, yaitu langkah-langkah atau how to make the orange juice or the food or the drink from the recipe. We have the last one is the characteristic of procedure text. Kita ada simple present yang tadi sudah dibahas. So the clue is by finding the basic verb atau verb 1 dari kalimat imperatif. Nah, kalimat imperatif adalah kalimat suruhan atau kalimat perintah. Kemudian ada juga temporal conjunction. Then next, after that, finally. Sampai di sini bisa dipahami?
Yes.
Yes,
Oke.
Miss.
Siap untuk practice? Let's practice. Nah, who can answer the first practice, the first activity? Oke, Trisna Duani. Trisna Duyani. What is the first one?
Itu title.
Title. Can you repeat after me?
Title.
Title. Yes, exactly. Title. And then the second one, I give it to Satya. Satya Karuna.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Satya. What do we call the second part?
Ingredient.
Ingredients. Very good. And the last part, I'll give it to yang belum sempat jawab dari tadi ya. Coba Vila.
Steps.
Steps. Very good ya. Oke. Ini karena kecil tidak terlalu terlihat ya. Oke, don't worry. I will send the PDF version of this activity on your WhatsApp group. Saya kirim ke WhatsApp grup kalian, silahkan dicek. Listen to me. Yeah, what we need to do now, first, we are going to compare both recipe. Ya, kita akan membandingkan kedua resep ini. This is what we need to find out from the recipe. We are going to compare recipe 1, recipe 2. Bisa di screenshot dulu kalau mau, biar gampang nanti mengerjakannya. The next one, ya, selanjutnya, next, we are going to answer these two questions. Okay, so I'll give you 5 minutes to do the task. Ya, silahkan dikerjakan, silahkan dibandingkan recipe 1 and recipe 2 based on the tabel, ya, according to the tabel. And then find out the things you need to find out from the two recipes and also answering the two questions at the end. Ya. Silahkan 5 menit dari sekarang. Alright, we're going to start discussing from the first one. From propose. Do they have the same purpose? Recipe 1 and recipe 2? Di Risnandira.
Yes, they have the same purpose about
Yes, what is
making
the purpose?
pancakes. About making pancakes.
Okay, the purpose is to,
Making pancakes.
the purpose is to tell the reader.
About how to making pancakes.
Exactly. Now, what about the second question? Ingredients. Do they have the same ingredients? Adrian Prasetya?
Yes, they have.
Okay, what are they?
Milk, eggs, and flour.
Milk, egg,
Eggs and flour.
flour. Any other ingredients? Thank you. Maybe Devi Sapitri want to add some more ingredients?
Yes, but in recipe 2, in the second recipe, there is no castor sugar, lemon, and butter.
Okay, so where is the castor sugar, lemon, and butter? In which recipe?
In recipe 1.
In recipe 1, okay. Does the first recipe have milk, egg, and flour?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Jadi di resep 1 ada, di resep 2 juga ada milk, egg, and flour ya. And then to compare both, in label 1 we can also find butter,
Lemon and castor
lemon,
sugar. And castor sugar.
custard sugar. Okay. Any other additional answer? Ada yang mau menambahkan lagi? Audrey?
No, mine is the same as Vivi's.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Audrey. Next, we go to the third one. Steps. Do they have the same number of cooking steps? Saya kasih yang belum jawab ini. Coba Saris.
The steps on the first recipe. The first recipe has 5 steps, while the second recipe has 4 steps.
Okay, the first recipe has 5 steps. The second recipe has 4 steps. Thank you, Saris. What about simple present tense that we can see from the recipes, especially the verb 1? Maybe anyone can mention verb 1 they found from the recipe. Coba. Okay, Audrey.
For recipe 1, we have sieve. From number 1 is sieve. 2 is add. 3 is pour. Add, pour.
Pour.
Beat.
Beat.
Cook.
Cook. Okay,
And
thank
sieve.
you. And stir.
Sieve. Sieve.
Sieve. Okay, thank you. More words maybe? Any other verbs? In label, in recipe 1? Tidak ada? Saris? Do you find any other? Okay, tidak ada. Gaura? Okay, we move to the second recipe. What can we find from the second recipe? Bentar, ini Devi coba.
In recipe 2, we can find 1 is a pot, and 2 is beat, cook, and leaf.
Cook and
leaf.
Leaf?
Yeah.
Leaf.
Is
it leaf?
Oh my God.
We have put, yes. We have beat. We
Beat.
have cook.
Cook.
We have
But
live to
live.
cook and enjoy. Okay.
Yeah.
Any other verb you found from the second recipe? Ada satu lagi yang ketinggalan? From the second recipe. Taris.
Enjoy.
Enjoy. Ya, very good. Let's check. Kita lihat yang resep 1 ada add, ya, ada sieve, ada pour, ada beat, ada cook. And then recipe 2, yes. Great. Thank you so much. And then imperative sentence. Nah, ini bisa ini. Ini bisa banyak yang menyebutkan ini. Coba yang belum dari tadi. Sudah masuk kelas, tapi belum dapat poin menjawab. Halo Karin, Ozora Patricia. Halo Karin. Halo, is Karin here? Ah, Karin ada di sini. Tidak ada Karin. Lender Mardika. Lender Mardika. Number 14. Are you still with me, guys? Masih di kelas tidak ya? Apa ditinggal HP-nya nyala? Ariel Sugiartawan. Ada Ariel Sugiartawan?
Yes,
Okay. Hello Ariel.
Miss.
Can you share your answer for imperative sentence that you find on the first recipe?
Yang resep 1 itu
coba
imperative
satu.
sentence. Add eggs to the bowl.
Okay, add eggs to the bowl. Very good. Thank you. Ya, tepat sekali. Ini imperative sentence. Ada kata add di depan, ya, bentuknya verb one, ya, memberikan bentuk imperatif kepada kalimat ini. Maybe other students want to share another imperative sentence from the text. Ini banyak ini yang angkat tangan, tapi tadi sudah jawab. Jasmine belum kayaknya. Yes, Jasmine.
Itu ada pour milk into the bowl.
Okay, in which recipe? The first or the second?
The first.
The first. What about the second? Can you mention one imperative sentence we can see from the second recipe?
Beat ingredients together.
Pardon?
Beat ingredients together.
Beat.
Yeah, ingredients together.
Beat the ingredients together. Very good. Thank you. The last one, temporal conjunction. Is there any temporal conjunction, students? Adakah temporal conjunction? Hello, what is your answer? Ada tidak, Virginia?
In the recipe 2, then.
Then. Okay, ada then. Is there any from recipe 1? Dari recipe 1 ada tidak? Still Virginia? On the recipe 2, kita ketemu kata then. Coba dilihat. Ya, then milk in the bowl. Oke, next. Ada conjunction di resep 1? Tidak ada ya di resep 1. Kita semuanya menggunakan number ya. Number 1, number 2, number 3, and so on. Okay, so we find already the difference between both recipe ya. And then the similarity also from both recipe. Kita bisa ketemu persamaan dan perbedaannya. Very good. Good job, students. Next. Okay. What are the tools we need to cook both recipes? Aditya Wicaksana.
Yes, Miss.
Yes. What are the tools? Maybe you can mention one so we can share with the other friends.
We need a glass, spoon, and knife.
Glass,
Spoon,
spoon. Okay, hold a second. Is there any
bowl.
glass? Is there any glass in the recipe?
No, Miss. Bowl,
No,
Miss.
no glass.
Bowl.
Bowl, yes. Bowl. Thank you, Aditya. Next, I'll give it to Wida. Yes, Wida. What else? What else the tools we need to cook? What recipes?
Number 2,
Pardon, I cannot hear your voice.
for the contest because it is very simple.
Unfortunately, I still cannot hear your voice. So maybe you can type it on the chats and then I'll check it later. Thank you. Indah, Putu Indah.
Yeah. Mixer.
Mixers. Is there any mixers there? Yang ini ya, kamu kira mixer ya? Kalau mixer, ada mesinnya. Kalau yang tidak ada mesinnya, namanya adalah
Whisk.
kalau tidak ada mesinnya, namanya adalah dimulai dengan huruf B. Coba siapa di sini? Di Krisnandira. Yes, please. Krisnandira. Suaranya
Wix.
tidak. Oh, sorry. Yes.
Whisk.
Pardon? Did you say whisk? Whisk?
Yes.
Okay, whisk. Bisa. Whisk bisa. Next, Adelia Febriana.
Yes, Miss. Frying pan.
Frying pan. Atau pan juga boleh ya. Thank you, Adelia. Lender Mardika.
Sieve.
Sieve. Apa itu sieve?
Penyaringan.
Penyaringan. Sieve itu ayakan ya, untuk mengayak. Namanya sieve. Thank you, Lender. Next we will have Saris.
Probably.
Apa lagi, Saris?
Hold on. The tools. The tools or on
The tools.
The tools. Oh.
I still see there is cup. Okay, cup. Is there any cup there? Ini ya. Is this what you mean, cup?
Yes.
Okay. To be exact, it's what we call pit or jar. Ya, itu namanya pit atau jar. Karena kalau cup dia tidak ada moncongnya, itu yang di depan, yang lancip itu. Tapi ini ada, kalau kalian perhatikan baik-baik gambarnya, bisa dilihat nanti ya. Itu namanya pit atau jar. Itu ada moncongnya, ada pegangannya, lalu ada ukuran mililiternya. Maybe Taurina Putri, Gayatri?
Yes, Miss.
Yes.
Spoon.
Spoon, okay. Spoon, thank you. Masih ada satu lagi. Trisna. Oh, Trisna sudah tadi ya?
Belum, Miss.
Oke, silakan Trisna.
Plate.
Plate. Can you repeat after me? Plate.
Plate.
Plate. Very good. Kita sudah ketemu alat-alatnya, tools yang digunakan untuk membuat resep. Sekarang, the next question, question 2. If you need to cook pancakes for a cooking contest, which recipe is better to be chosen? Aderian.
Pepis 1.
Okay, why do you choose recipe 1?
Because perlengkapannya lengkap mungkin, Miss.
Okay, the tools, it has complete tools ya. Kalau menurut Rian ya.
Iya,
Halo
Miss.
Rian?
Belum, Miss.
Yeah, because of the tools is complete ya. Di resep 1 toolsnya
Yes,
lebih lengkap
complete.
gitu ya.
Lebih
Apakah
lengkap,
di
ya.
resipi itu tidak lengkap? Tidak bisa masak di resipi itu?
Sedikit susah kalau dipakai resep kedua, Miss.
Oke, baik. Thank you. We'll move to Gaura. Gaura, what do you think? Which one will you choose?
Recipe 2.
Recipe 2, why?
Because it's easier than recipe 1.
Okay. According to Gaura, it's easier than the first recipe. What about Audrey?
I choose recipe 1, Miss.
Okay, why is that so?
Because in recipe 1, it tells you the exact amount for each ingredients. For example, you need 1 pint of milk or 2 eggs, and the instructions are more detailed, like sifting.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Audrey, for sharing your opinion. For some of the students, recipe 1 is more detailed, while for other students, recipe 2 is easier, more simple. Ya, jadi semua ada lebih, ada kurangnya. Okay. All right. That's the end of the activity. Actually, before we end the lesson today, let's conclude what we have learned from today's lesson. Ya. Oke, muncul lagi nih, procedure text or recipe. What is the purpose of recipe? Who still remember? Oh, kita punya Saris ini yang pertama angkat tangan.
The purpose of the recipe is to tell the reader how to make an orange juice properly.
Oke, if the recipe is orange juice ya. Kalau secara umum, it tells the reader how to make
something.
How to make something, how to make certain food, certain drink, ya, makanan atau minuman tertentu. Very good, Saris. Next, we have structure of recipe. There are 3 parts. Okay, Adelia.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Adelia. What are the 3 parts of a recipe? The first one?
A title.
Title,
ingredients, steps.
Title, ingredients, and steps. And what is the other part of recipe hiding inside steps? Okay, Ratih.
Tools.
Tools, very good. tools ya, yang bersembunyi di dalam steps ada tools. Now characteristic. There are also 3 characteristic of recipe we learned today. The first one, I give it to Devi Savitri.
Simple present tense.
Simple present tense. It use simple present tense. Dari mana kita melihat simple present tense-nya, Devi?
Simple present tense itu kan verb 1, jadi dari step-stepnya.
Okay, on the steps we can find verb 1 or basic verb. Itu adalah tanda dari simple present tense. Next, the second one we have, I'll give it to Indah. Yes, Indah? Indah, I'm so sorry. Indah, I'm so sorry I cannot hear your voice, but I will give you a chance to write it down on the comment. Ya, you write it down there. Nanti saya akan lihat jawabannya Indah juga ya. Coba kita lihat. Imperative sentence. Oke, Indah jawab di chat jawabannya imperative sentence. Contohnya kalimat-kalimat yang diawali dengan verb 1 ya, arahan-arahan dan biasanya ada di steps. The last one. The last one. Oke, siapa ini? Nandita.
Hello.
Yes.
The last one is temporal conjunction.
Temporal conjunction. Can you mention the temporal conjunction? Trisna Duyani. Thank you, Nandita. Ayo kita bagi dengan temannya.
Selain then itu ada next.
Next, ya. Aditya
Ada.
Wicaksana. Thank you, Trisna.
After that. After that.
After that. Okay, very good. Okay, so students, that's the end of today's meeting. I really appreciate for your attendance during this meeting, and then you try to answer the question. That's very great. So thank you so much, and then see you on the next meeting. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.